Hi, Greg. It's Rick Purdy here, sales manager with Mercedes-Benz Country Hills. Hey, Greg, I was chatting with Andrew earlier on today, and he'd mentioned that you were looking for a market evaluation on your vehicle that you currently have in the service department here. So I thought I would take a minute and just send you a real quick video and give you an overview of your particular car and what it would be worth to us here at the dealership. I'm not sure if you're thinking about replacing the car, Greg, or if you're looking just to outright sell it. Obviously, we'd love to sell you a new vehicle, but if you're looking to outright sell the vehicle, I'd be very, very interested in buying it from you also. So what I do, Greg, is I have a company called V-Auto, and what I do is I scour the market and I look for vehicles that are exactly the same as yours, that has the same options and features on it with similar kilometers, so I can make sure that I'm very competitive in the market and also that I pay enough for cars that customers are looking at, either selling to us or trading us in. So what I did was, Greg, I did a search of what's in the market right now, and there are a couple of vehicles very similar to what you have. There's one at Lone Star Mercedes-Benz. This one has 26,000 kilometers on it. They're asking $43,900. There's another one here at Lone Star. Picture didn't come up, unfortunately. It has 28,000 kilometers. They're asking $42,900 for the car. And the last comparable that I have here is one with the AMG leather premium package. It has 30,000 kilometers on it, and they're asking $43,900. Clean car proof on your vehicle, shows nice service history on your vehicle, so definitely something that I would love to have. And option wise on yours has the premium package and the LED intelligent lighting systems. Retail on your car was a little over $60,000. If I had your car at the dealership here, what I would do, Greg, basically with 25,000 kilometers on it, I would bring it to market for 44.4. I would like to be in the vehicle after reconditioning at 85% of market, which would be 37,740. So somewhere between these two areas, I would hope to make some profit on the vehicle. Car's in very nice condition. I took a look at it in the back here earlier on today. The only thing I would really need to do to the vehicle is do a certified pre-owned inspection on the vehicle. I would detail the vehicle, give you credit for the second set of tires and rims that you have on it. So at the end of the day, your vehicle would be worth to me 37,770 with your GST credit 39,659. So basically with your GST credit, Greg, should be worth a little over $40,000. What I'll do is I will send this off to you. I'll also include Andrew in the link here. And if you decide that there's something that you want to do with your vehicle, Greg, please don't hesitate to give me a call. My cell number will be on the email, and also obviously you can respond by email here at the dealership. But want to thank you very much for servicing your vehicle here at the dealership. Hopefully you've been treated well. It's been a good experience for you now that we've been open 10 months. And again, just thanks for reaching out, and hopefully you enjoy this. And if you have any questions, just reach out to me. Thanks a lot, Greg.